Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Paulson, British Columbia, is a small community located in the Boundary Country region of southern British Columbia. Situated approximately 26 kilometers northeast of Christina Lake and 54 kilometers west of Castlegar, Paulson is nestled in the picturesque Kootenay boundary area. The area was originally known as Bonanza Siding, named after the nearby Bonanza mine. In 1902, brothers Thomas Henry, John William, and George Alfred Paulson established a hotel, general store, and post office in the area. The post office was renamed Paulson in 1904. At its peak, the community had a population of around 25 residents, many of whom were employed by the Canadian Pacific Railway or involved in mining activities. A significant landmark in the area is the Paulson Bridge, which spans the Kettle River. Constructed in 1962, the bridge was part of a project to bypass the original settlement. In 2019, the bridge underwent a $6 million rehabilitation to ensure its continued safety and functionality. Today, Paulson is primarily known for its natural beauty and outdoor recreational opportunities. The Columbia and Western Rail Trail, also known as the Trans-Canada Trail, passes through the area, offering hikers and cyclists scenic views of the surrounding landscapes. This trail extends from Paulson to Castlegar, providing access to various natural attractions and historical sites along the way. While Paulson remains a small and quiet community, its rich history and natural surroundings continue to attract visitors seeking a peaceful retreat in the heart of British Columbia's boundary country.
Thanks for watching!